Failure's not an option. It's just a step. I've never gone wrong trusting my gut. The successful men I admired all built their bodies. The one thing that I keep learning over and over again is that I don't know nothing. I mean, that's my life lesson. I knew credibility would come only in time and through earnest performances. If I love you, I show you I love you every day. Little things, big things. Not only do I think being nice and kind is easy, but being kind, in my opinion, is important. Around every corner, always protect the engine that powers you. Life is anything but predictable. The single most powerful thing I can be is to be myself. Think back 5 years ago. Think of where you're at today. Think ahead 5 years and what you want to accomplish. Be unstoppable. All success begins with self-discipline. It starts with you. The first step to achieving your goal is to take a moment to respect your goal. Know what it means to you to achieve it. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent, hard work gains success. I like to use the hard times in the past to motivate me today. Blood, sweat and respect. First two you give, last one you earn. There is no substitute for hard work. Always be humble and hungry. Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than the day before. It all adds up. When life puts you in tough situations, don't say why me. Just say try me. You don't need directions, just point yourself to the top and go. The wall. Your success is on the other side. Can't jump over it or go around it. You know what to do. If something stands between you and your success, move it. Never be denied. Don't be afraid to be ambitious about your goals. Hard work never stops. Neither should your dreams. What's the key to success? The key is, there is no key. Be humble, hungry, and the hardest worker in any room. With drive and a bit of talent you can move mountains.